Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to use a Scapy to send basic IPV4 packet in Python. You can install Scapy by typing in pip install Scapy and just hit enter. I have already installed on my system, so I don't need to do it again. Now we are going to import Scapy in our Python code. So we can type from Scapy all import asterisk. And now we are going to create a packet by using IP and passing in source IP address and destination IP address. And TCP to destination port 445. And now we just need to send the packet by using a send function and pass in the packet. And now I'm just going to move into the directory where my code is. Let me see. You can see over here. So I'm just going to type sudo python scapy IPV4.py. That's my Python script name, and just hit enter. And we can see the message sent one packet. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.